Great. Hi there again. Scott here from EdgeMath. I've got a question from a student about solving Diophantine equations. So we've got the equation 5x plus 4y equals 1000, and we want to solve that for x and y are integers. And we have the stipulations x and y should both be between 100 and 200, and including the endpoints. So one way to do this is kind of just to guess and check. So let's see. What if we had, well, this isn't going to work because of the stipulation, but if we have y equals 0, just to see what's going on, let's see, if y equals 0, that means 5x is 1000, so x equals 200. Could y equals 1? That would mean if y is 1, x is, we plug in and solve, 996 over 5. So using algebra, y equals 1, get 5x plus 4 is 1000, so 5x is 996, x is 996 over 5. And we can continue if we go, so y equals 2, y equals 3, y equals 4, those will give, you can check, 992 over 5, and then 988 over 5, 984 over 5. So none of those are solutions because these aren't integers. But then if we have y equals 5, that would give 5x equals 980. So x equals 196. Just solve using algebra. And then if you notice, the y's will keep going up by 5 and the x's will go down by 4, so we'll get x equals 192, y equals 10, and then we can keep going out, x equals 188, y equals 15, and down. So x is between 200 and 100, so we can go down to 100, and that would give, if x is 100, 4y is 500, so y equals 125. So that will be one solution. So we did find one solution, x and y are between 100 and 200. Can we find any more? Let's type this out. If we have x equals 100, let's see, we were adding 4, so we can do x equals 1 over 4, and then subtract 5, y equals 120, and then we can add 4 again, x equals 108, and subtract 5, y equals 115, and then we can go, let's see, y equals, we keep subtracting 5 and adding 4, x equals 112, and then there's going to be 2 more. Here we can take it over to the right. If we're increasing x by 4, so x equals 116, and then y equals 105, so we're decreasing y by 5, and then increase x by 4, and decrease y by 5, that'll give y equals 100, and that's the solutions here. If we carry on, then y is going to go down to 95, and that's too low, so I'll circle those solutions. Great, so what we did is we guessed and checked, we got our first solution, and then we used that, starting with x equals 200, then we use that, and then go down, or we can increase y, so y equals 0, y equals 1, and then we saw that when y is a multiple of 5, or x is a multiple of 4, there's a solution, so we drop x down, so from 200 then we go down to 100 and we see what y is, then we find the range where y is between 100 and 200. So great, if that makes sense, let me know if you have any questions, and good day.